A very pleasant good morning and a hearty welcome to all the participants joined with us this morning for this Day 5 Faculty Development Program on Stress Management, sponsored by AICTE et al. And coordinated by Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli. I would like to welcome you all for this Day 5, Session 2 on Achieving Your Goals with Siddha Mudra. Before we start our session, I would like to invite Dr. A. Krishnaveni ma'am, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, to introduce the resource person. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I feel elated to introduce the resource person of this day 5, FDP on stress management. That is Dr. Salai Jayakalpana, MSBS, BSMS, MD Siddha. He is the founder of Dr. Kalpana's Siddha Mutra Global Research Foundation, founder and chief doctor of Siddhar Vanam Siddha Hospital, which is located in Madurai, then founder of Sugalpana Health Trust and also the proprietor and director of research Sugalpana Herbals, director of 18 Herbs Organic Labs Limited. She is a registered medical practitioner with a master degree in Siddha from Dr. MGR University, Medical University, with 16 plus years of expertise. She is also a Verma doctor and a certified international yogic trainer. She has trained 7,000 plus professionals, doctors, practitioners, students on Siddha Mutra. She has treated 2,000 plus patients using Siddha Mutra and has 10 plus years of research expertise as a researcher on Siddha Mutra and Nadi validation. She has also made a collaborative research validation with IIT Madras on enhancing body heat using Siddha Mutra. Her expertise also includes the fields of astrology, Panjavati Sastra, Varma, Yoga, Reiki, Buddha, Vipassana, acupuncture, Sujok, magnetic therapy, flower therapy, and food therapy. She was awarded Yoga Shiromani by International Sivananda Yoga Vedanta Center. She is the author of the book Viralgal Seyyum Vindai of Vigadan Publications and also several articles in Dr. Vigadan and also in Sakti Vigadan, Jodhida Arasu and Vivosai, etc. She has extended her interaction with many people by being the host and the interview of various TV programs on mudras and home remedies in 3 leading TV channels in India, that is Nalam Nalam Arige in Kalanga TV, Kalanga News TV, in All India radios and USA media. We are very proud of you, madam, to stay with us for this FDP program. She has also successfully cured many serious diseases of today like computer eye syndrome, work stress, migraine, etc. And also serves as a mentor for people studying 10th, 12th and preparing for competitive exam. We are very happy to have here as the resource person for this 5th day FDP. With no delay, I hand over the session to Saleh ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Greetings all. I feel privileged and honored to be the resource person for this online FDP organized by AICTE, ATL. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the principal, Dr. P. Lalita ma'am, the coordinator, A. Krishnaveni ma'am, for her meticulous planning and organizing. And I welcome all the faculties to this session. Okay. Now, first of all, before going into the topic, how to achieve our goals through Siddha Mudra, I want to explain you what is Siddha Mudra. First of all, what is Mudra, and then what is Siddha Mudra. And I think there are 67 participants now, right now. Do anybody already know what is Mudra? Have you heard of that word, or have you done any Mudra?
Yes, sir. Yes, madam. We have practiced it earlier and in earlier session.
Okay, okay. Anybody else? Do you know what is, basically, do you know what is Mudra? Have anybody utilized the effect of Mudra? Or at least do you know what is Mudra?
Yes, ma'am. Dhyan mudra is very common for taking a nap or to go into dhyan.
Okay, okay. Okay, I think Vinita Rawat Chauhan ma'am is familiar with mudras. First of all, now I can explain what is mudra and what is the special in Siddha Mudra formulated by our team. So, what is mudra? The mudra is a very simple hand gesture. And how can you achieve your goals with this simple hand gesture? You know, mudras are used in so many dance steps. Every idol of the god has any mudra in its hand. No god's idol is without mudra. Any type of god, it may be Buddha, or it may be any Hindu god, or it may be any Greek god. The hand symbolization will be there. The mudra is very simple hand gesture. This is a mudra. It's a simple hand gesture. What I am performing in my hand is a very simple hand gesture. And what is this hand gesture dealing with our mind and also physical body? Right, apart from the physical ailments, we are going to see much about mind. How does this mudras have effect on mind? Do it really have an effect on mind? First of all, as you are new to this Siddha Mudra, I want to explain how this mudra affects the mind, has an effect over the mind. First of all, Siddha Mudra is a special form of mudra which have a corrected form of typical postures which can cure a simple ailment starting from the joint pain to cancer. Siddha Mudra works effectively in emergency conditions like bronchial asthma. Nowadays we have used that Siddha Mudra, Linga Mudra. We have validated the Linga Mudra in IIT so that it increases the oxygen load in the persons in COVID condition. So it's a very simple but very effective mudra which will increase the oxygen load in 10 to 15 minutes. It's very simple to perform, that's all. This is the method of performing Linga Mudra. And you will have a doubt, how does it happen? Within 20 minutes of performing this Linga Mudra, the heat in your body or lung spot is very much effectively increased from 1 degree to 3 degree. So we have validated this in IIT Madras. These mudras are not like yoga, which we have to work out for months and months to get a very little bit of effect. It's not like acupuncture or acupressure or any type of Chinese medicines in which anybody must help you to do this, or you need anybody to do it. This mudra can be performed by even a small kid of 2 years age, from the age-old person, bedridden person. because it's so simple to perform like this. You are going to keep the hand like this. This is a mudra. The Siddha Mudra is specially formulated to cure major type of ailments, both physically and mentally. First of all, before entering into the session, there are 75 persons in this session. Can anybody tell or share in the chat box what the ailment you are having right now? Anybody, you may be having a headache, and anybody may be having a heel pain in your heel, and anybody may be feeling slightly stressed. So in the chat, yes, throat pain by talking. Okay, Vinita Rawat Chauhan ma'am. I will just ask you to perform one mudra. Please perform this mudra. And also Rashma ma'am. First of all, Vinita Rawat Chauhan ma'am, if possible, you can switch on your camera if needed. So I will correct the position of the mudra, what you are doing. Hold this index, and fold this index and the middle finger. This is only for Vinita ma'am. Okay, no, index and middle finger. Fold this index and middle finger. Vinita ma'am, can you see me? Yes. Then touch the other 3 finger tips together. Fingertips together. Not like this, like this. Yes, correct. The same thing in the other hand also. But you must fold these fingers towards your palm. Then these 2 fingers. Yes, please, these 3 fingertips must be touching. Yes, little fingertip must also be touching. Yes. After 5 minutes, you can give a feedback. And also Reshma ma'am, Rashma ma'am, left heel, ma'am, in your hand, you please join all the fingers, 5 fingers of your hand. Yes, particularly in your left hand, you must do that. After 10 minutes, you can give me a feedback. Yes, not like this, somewhat like this. Yes, all the 4 fingers must touch the tip of the thumb. Okay, ma'am. You can keep your hand in your lap in this position, facing upwards. Yes. You can now switch off your camera. You can give a feedback after 15 minutes. And
Sure.
Headache. Suma Rahavendra ma'am, you're having headache. Suma ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suma ma'am, the headache is in the frontal side or back side?
Front side, ma'am.
Front, in the front.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then perform this mudra called Mahashiras Mudra. Fold the ring finger. Yes. Fold the ring finger towards the palm. Fold the ring finger towards the palm. Ring finger towards the palm. And then these 3 fingers together and the little finger. Yes, correct. Little finger extended. These 3 fingertips together. Touch it together.
Okay.
Okay. Then we can go for Jyoti Sinha ma'am, who is having. Are you having migraine headache right now? Jyoti ma'am, are you having a headache right now? Are you having headache right now? Or it's your common ailment? I want the ailment which you are having right now. Okay. Okay, not now. Okay. Okay, then we can move into the session. Okay. Now, what is mudra? It's a simple hand gesture, what I have asked them to do. It's very simple to do. Vinita ma'am is doing a mudra called Pranavyana Mudra. And Sankalpa Mudra. Rashma ma'am is doing a Sankalpa Mudra. Low back pain due to long sitting hours. Yes, we can see Mudra for that. It's Dr. Brijesh Kumar Singh, sir. Can you switch on your camera if possible? If possible. Okay, done. I can show you the mudra. In right hand, you can join all these 3 fingertips. Thumb, you just keep in mind it's alternate fingers. Thumb, then leave the index finger. Then you have to join the middle finger, then leave the ring finger, and you have to join the little finger in the right hand. In the left hand, you have to keep your index finger in the middle of the tip of the thumb. You just keep in this position. You keep the hand in the position and also keep it in your lap. After 15 minutes, I will have a review for all those who are performing mudra now. Okay. This Siddha Mudra is a very simple hand gesture. So what's the relation between us and our hand gesture? What's the relation between mudra and this hand gesture and ourselves? The relation between this starts from the very primitive age. Before even the languages has started, before we started to talk in a language, or before we started in the primitive age, before the human beings, before the Homo sapiens started to talk a language, they used to communicate with others with the help of hand gestures. We used to communicate with each other with the help of hand gestures. So these hand gestures are in our genetic code, strongly imprinted. Now also we are using so many hand gestures to communicate with others. Our body language communicates 80% and 20% is only the part of the language. So we are communicating with each other in the form of a body language or hand gesture. So better switch off all, unmute. You may unmute all the things so that we can go in a flow. So this seem to be simple hand gestures are very effective because in our genetic code it is long imprinted. You know, in the criminology department, while attending a case or asking a truth from a criminal, they will be putting on cameras all around. They will be asking the person to tell the truth. They will be asking some questions. He will be answering yes, no, it happened this place and that place. He will be explaining. After that, they will go to all the videos and see his body language while he is saying the answer. He may be saying, I just threw a small stone over him, but his hand will be showing like this. I just threw a small stone over him. So even if his tongue says lie, his hands are not able to tell lie. It is showing it's a large stone. So without our knowledge, we are expressing all our feelings, all we think with our hand. Our mind and hand are directly related. So in reverse, if you keep a particular type of hand gesture in your hand, it will surely have a very big impact in your mind. So this hand gestures or mind are directly related. When we voluntarily perform some type of hand gestures, this hand gestures will have a great impact over our mind. So not only in the primitive age, when the child is born, before the child is talking or before it is speaking a language, you might have noted in children who are very slow milestones and talking in the very later age, they will be performing some type of hand gestures to express. The small kids, as a small kids, we were also performing some hand gestures to express our feelings. And the Siddha Mudra is not confined to a particular language or religion or region. It belongs to all human beings. There are more than 83%. You have told that you have not performed any mudra in your lifetime. But before you are born, in your womb itself, you have performed the mudra. If you have a 3D scan or now 3D photos are available, the child in the womb can be taken, even the uterus can be taken a photograph. 3D photograph is available now. So if you see the photographs, the baby in the mother's womb will be performing a mudra called Adi Mudra in its hand. So all of us, in spite of the religion, in spite of any caste or region, all the human beings, all of us have performed a mudra called Adi Mudra in the mother's womb itself. So this hand gesture and our mind is directly related. The Adi Mudra, I will show you the Adi Mudra. You can also see in the newborn kids. Anybody, have you seen this? In the newborn children, they will be holding their hand like this. They will be putting their hand and clutching all the four fingers. Like this. This is called Adi Mudra. This Adi Mudra is performed by each and every one of us in the mother's womb itself. So the relation between us and mudras starts from, not from our date of birth. It goes behind our date of birth. So what will happen when you perform this mudra is, this is called Adi Mudra because you have Adi means primitive, So this mudra we have been performing from very primitive age. So when you're doing this mudra in this position, what will happen? This Adi Mudra is giving a comfort for you. If you have any type of fear, unknown fear, if you perform this Adi Mudra, you will feel a comfort so that you are in the mother's womb. You are very safe. You feel safe so that you are within your mother. So like that, each and every mudra has a reason and a very excellent impact behind that. Everybody know, getting up early in the morning is a very big task. We might be trying for days and days. We may be keeping the alarm to get up at 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock. Then 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7. Just trial a mudra today. Before going into a session, we can trial this mudra. A very simple mudra called Sankalpa Mudra. I think the ma'am with the heel pain is performing this mudra. Rashma ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rashma ma'am, do you feel any difference? I think it's time 5 minutes.
Ma'am, I feel only pain in my fingers, ma'am. All 5 fingers are paining. Just extending the nerves now, that will I feel very pain.
Okay, okay. What is the change you have felt in your heel pain? Right now, are you having heel pain?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm not recognizing any pain.
Okay. I want to know whether before performing mudra you are having heel pain or only in the morning you have it.
Ma'am, only night time the heel pain will come, ma'am. While sleeping, the
Okay, 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 ma'am. Okay, okay. I want to address the pain right now. Okay, you can perform this mudra. Just if you perform this, you have performed this for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Today night, you will never get the heel pain once again. You may also perform this mudra in the night also.
okay,
And
ma'am.
Vinita Rawat ma'am, have you found any difference? Vinita ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, my throat pain has gone.
Vinita ma'am, can you know where are you from?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I think your team members know you very well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Because I am new to you. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Can you correctly tell how much percentage throat pain has reduced?
Ma'am, 90%?
90%.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Just perform for another 5 minutes and your throat pain will be completely getting normal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody can type in the chat box so that you can get the confidence over mudras. It works very fast. In spite of yoga we do for months and months together, this mudra works within seconds and within minutes it works. Okay. Dr. Brijesh Kumar sir also, if he have done this mudra, he can give a feedback after 5 minutes. Okay. How does this mudra work? What is the basic concept behind this mudra is, this mudra works in the basis of the increase and decrease of the 5 elements in our body. What are the 5 elements? You already know what we see in the universe. Earth, water, air, and also ether and fire. And you might be having any doubt how these 5 elements work in our body. We are not going into that topic. Now, we are only going to see how to achieve our goals with the help of this very effective mudras. And how many people have achieved their goals and relaxed out of stress is thousands and thousands of people have been relaxing out of their heavy stress with the help of this mudras in this pandemic COVID situation. First of all, related to mind, how our body is being responding to the mudras related to mind. These 5 fingers represent 5 elements of the nature. And the 5 elements of the nature in our body, if it is getting increased or decreased, it's called a ailment in our body and mind. Say example, the character of the 5 elements is in our body. Earth, say example, earth. The earth has a solidity by itself. So, in the physical appearance, if you are very strong, if you are a bodybuilder, or you are very muscly, then your earth part in your body is high. What is the character of the earth? Is solidity and stubbornness. If you are very solid and stubborn, it means that the earth part in your mind is correct. If the earth part in your mind is getting more, what will happen? You will have overconfidence. If the earth in your body is normal, you will be very stable. No, yeah, not pot, P-O-T, pot, P-A-R-T. If the earth in your body is getting low, you get a low confidence. Your confidence level goes down. So, by balancing the earth in your body, what will happen is you will get a full of confidence to perform your works. If the earth is not stable and strong in your body, what will happen? You will start to postpone all the things. You will want to, if you even want to do the work, you will not be able to start the work and complete the work. There will be a starting problem. The exam fear. Exam fear for the students. Very simple to get rid of the exam fear in the students. In this 5 fingers, balancing these 5 elements is very simple. So for balancing the earth, you have to, this finger is for earth, this ring finger is for earth. You have to keep the tip of the thumb and the ring finger together. You have to keep the tip of the thumb and the ring finger together. The position is, you must be sitting erect with your foot over the floor, or you may be sitting crossed leg with a bedspread or anything spreading down so that your body is not touching the floor. You have 2 options. You can, if you sit in the chair, your foot, bare foot must touch the floor. If you are not able to sit with the bare foot touching the floor, you can sit in a crossed leg position. Very simply, your spine erect. And the position of the mudra so that your palm is facing upwards. You can keep the mudra in your hand so that it is facing upwards. Like this. This seems to be very simple mudra. It seems to be very, very simple. But this very simple mudra called Prithvi Mudra or earth balancing mudra will get rid of exam fear. Not only exam fear. Somebody may be having a fear to enter into the work. You might be in the household works up to 9 o'clock. You might be entering the office work at 10 o'clock. You will be feeling very tired to start the work. And you want to postpone a work. The postponing may be in any part or any condition. The postponing part may be not washing the vessels or not completing a project. If you start postponing and postponing, the earth element in your body is not, body and mind is not balanced. So, if you perform this simple Prithvi Mudra for 5 minutes, say example, after my morning works, I feel tired. So I have to start a new research project now. So I have to sit before my gadgets. I'm feeling very tired. That's an option for me to postpone the work tomorrow. But my mind says, please do the work. But my physical body is not cooperating. Just if I sit with this Prithvi Mudra for 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, you will get an energy and a mindset to start the work immediately. So if you are children, or if you may be a student, college student, or you may be a faculty, if you have a hesitation to start a work, if you have a fear for the examination, fear for facing anything, fear for facing any situation, before going into that situation, you just perform this Prithvi Mudra, very simple Prithvi Mudra, for just 5 minutes, and realize and enjoy that you may be out of that fear. If your kid is not cooperating and having a very stress for going to examination, he will be complaining of all the pains before examination. headache, fever. So don't ask him, you must perform this mudra so that you can go for examination successfully. Don't ask him. Ask him just to sit in this position for 5 minutes. So without interruption, he will be getting up and getting ready and moving to the examination hall. So like this, today we are going to see a set of 5 mudras which are directly related to our mind and the 5 elements. After that, we are going to see how to set our goal and reach our goal with the help of Siddha Mudras. These are proven, and there are thousands of testimonies for each and every mudra, not only related to physical body, related to mind also. So how to achieve the things or how to attract the things with the help of this very excellent primitive tantric art, because this art has been performed with along with so many yajnas. I think you know what is yajna. Anybody know what is yajna? Or yagam? Yagam, have you heard of yagam? Or yajna? Which is performed by, in the marriages, they do it in a very small level. There will be a they will produce fire in front of the couples who are going to get married, and they will put some ghee or some things which are burnt in the fire. Yes, yagam or yajna is called. So that is called yajna. It is done in a very small level in the marriages and in the temples or for prayers to achieve a particular goal. That is, yajnas or yagam are done for various conditions to reach a goal. So in this yajnas, along with the mantras, these mudras are also being practiced. Every mantra has a mudra. So this is called a tantric art. Tantric means, if you know Tamil, you can split it. Tantiram. That is what is tantiram. Tan means yourself. Tiram means capacity. You are building up your own capacity. You are capacitizing yourself. That is called tantra. So this mudra is a tantric art which has been performed with the mantras in the yajnas. So to achieve the goal, this mudra helps us very much. Ahuti, correct. Ahuti. Ahuti, most of the people know the word ahuti. Okay. Regarding the earth element, if the earth element in your body, in your mind is not balanced, you will have a character of postponing the things. You will never start a thing. If you have a starting problem, please perform this simple Prithvi Mudra. Then, if the water element in your body is not balanced, most of us have the character with us. The water element, what happens if the water element is balanced? If the water element is balanced, you will be staying very cool. If the water element is not in a balanced mode, what will happen? You will be getting irritated, short temper. So very simple mudra to get out of the irritating mindset. You may be knowing some persons who will be very cool in any situation. Even in a crowded situation, even on a sunny day, they will be writing a poetry. Even in the examination hall, they used to write a poetry. So what is the mindset is? The water element in their body and mind is high. If the water element is high, you can stay cool. And if the water element gets low, what will happen? Once again, irritation. Physically, your skin will be getting shrink. You will have dark circles around your eyes. You will not be getting a good sleep. You will be getting irritated on small things. Particularly in the evening when you come from the office, you show the irritation to all. It's the type of irritation will be like short-tempered irritation. Then coming to the element fire. If you have balanced fire in your body, no women will get any type of hormone problems. So if you have a balanced fire in your body and mind, you will be multitasking. You will be a very excellent performer. If you take a work, you can complete it and finish it and enjoy the fruits of the work. So, related to fire, it's the energy or pushing force which will help us to perform any type of work. The fire in a person is balanced. The body language will itself say that the fire in the person is balanced. And the first step we have to do to achieve our goal is we have to have a body language of the persons who are winning. So most of the people, most of us sit before the gadgets or sitting before the computer or laptop all the day. All over the day, we are sitting before the gadgets. And what happens is our body and shoulder are getting drooped like this. So our sitting posture is getting drooped. Our head is just hanging down and our shoulders are coming in front. And this is not the body language of the winners. This is not the body language of the achievers. The body language is the language of the achiever is their spine will be erect. Their shoulders will not droop front and their shoulders will be broad. Their neck will not come front, their neck will be erect. And how to get this body posture? It's very tough to get that body posture. But with the Siddha Mudra, it's very easy. Very simply, if you keep your hand in this position, it is this mudra is called Merudanda Mudra. You must fold all these fingers like this and hold your thumb up. If you keep the hand in this position, just while you are hearing this session, you can keep your hand position like this. You can keep your hand in the table in front. If you are keeping the hand in the position in front of you, in 5 to 10 minutes, automatically your posture will be getting corrected. You know, the wrong posture is a reason for all the pain starting from the neck to the coccyx. All the spine pain in the spinal part, back pain, neck pain, everything is caused by the wrong posture. It's very tough to correct the posture. To be consciously correcting the posture is very, very tough. You know, when you involve into work, the posture automatically goes into its comfort zone. You may not be sitting erect. You may not be with your shoulders broader. You may not be with your shoulders pushed up somewhat. Your neck must not droop in the correct position. But by performing this simple Merudanda Mudra, how to perform is keep all your fingertips to the bottom of your, keep all the fingertips to the bottom line of the fingers and then you can roll, and then keep your thumb, roll this fingers like this. Don't keep it like this. First of all, keep the fingertips in the bottom of the fingers, and then roll, and then keep your thumb 90° up. You can keep it in your table in front or in your lap. Automatically, in 5 minutes to 15 minutes, your body posture, automatically you will be sitting erect. If you start doing this mudra twice daily, what will happen is your body language, first of all, becomes as the body language of a winner. So in turn, you get the mindset of the winner. So it's very easy to reach your goal. It is called a Merudanda Mudra, and also called the Mudra for success. Everybody loves success. Everybody wants success. But very few achieve it. Please see the body language from today. See the body language of the persons who achieve their goals. So when you start doing this mudra, you will be in the achiever platform, so that your mindset will be achiever mindset. So it's very easy to achieve any of your goal. It is very simple Merudanda Mudra. And next, after the fire element, we are coming to a very important element called air. The air is directly related to our mind. You will be thinking and thinking, overthinking. If the air element is directly related to the movement in our body, in our physical body, if you have a normal movement without any disability, your air element is normal. If you have too much of movement, the air element is high. If the movement is getting very low, the air element in your body is getting low. You will be seeing some persons, marketing persons particularly, they will be talking much. They will be expressing much. This is because of the higher air element. And this low air element, people will never talk. They will just answer in a single word. And if your air element is balanced, you will talk very balancedly. No over talking or no one word answering. So anxiety is also caused by this air element. Most of the people today are asking, how can I win over my anxiety? I am having a very short breath. My breath is very short. I can't even breathe towards the bottom of my lungs. This can be balanced by performing very simple mudra called Vayu Mudra. It is also a painkiller mudra. It reduces our anxiety, makes us to breathe to the bottom of our lungs. So when you start breathing to the bottom of your lungs, what happens? You feel very contempt of what you are having. Fulfilled feeling. You feel mentally relaxed. Your thoughts will be not jumping here and there. Your thoughts will be very stable. Then going to the element ether or Akash. This is directly related to our thoughts. All sorts of blood pressure, all sorts of mind disorders, mental disorders, all type of depression, suicidal tendency can be balanced by balancing this Akash element. This is Akash element, this finger. So by balancing is, if you keep the tip of the thumb with each of the finger tips, the balancing happens. Now I am balancing my Prithvi or earth element. This is called Prithvi Mudra to give a very good startup for anything. If you feel tired, you must be running all over the day for your work. You will be feeling very tired. This simple Prithvi Mudra is equivalent to a very healthy energy drink. It not equal. It can't equal any type of energy drink. It gives so much of energy, immediate energy within 5 minutes. Then this simple Varun Mudra, which is balancing the water, gives you a very deep sleep, gets rid of your dark circle around your eyes, pimples in your face, any type of skin problems, keeps you very cool, keeps you hydrated always, so that you will be a very cool person. You will be a very relaxed person. Everybody loves a cool person, not a irritated mood person. So your skin will be very clear without any blemishes or pimples. If you have wrinkles in your face, by doing very simple Varun Mudra, the wrinkles will go off. It's very simple to see. You see, it's very, very simple. Just try performing this mudra. Is it simple for you to perform? Can you perform it like this very easily? If you have your water element balance, you can do it very easily. Or otherwise else, it will be very tough for you to perform. You must not keep your fingers like this. You must touch the tips. Dr. Brijesh Kumar Singh, he can perform easily, means he is a cool person. That's all. You must touch the tips only. If you are not able to perform, or if your hand is very tough like this, and the water element in your body is not balanced. So if the water element is not balanced, now apart from the all type of physical elements like renal calculi, kidney stone, white discharge in the female, face having too many pimples, blemishes, dark circle, you will be having mind related problem like you can't sleep. So we are having excellent testimony of getting rid of this dark circle in just 2 weeks by performing this mudra. The boy was having a dark circle for more than 7 years. After performing 2 weeks of this water balance mudra, he have applied all type of creams. They have applied all type of cosmetics for getting rid of the dark circle around his eye. The reason is he is not getting a good sleep, so he has dark circle around his eyes. He started to do this Varun Mudra for 2 weeks, just 10 minutes twice daily. Every mudra must be performed 20 minutes twice daily. So performing a mudra 10 to 20 minutes twice daily gives you the fullest effect. Better be empty stomach. Apart from the emergency mudras, all the mudras can be performed in empty stomach. That will be very better. If you have a severe renal irritation, if you perform this mudra for 5 minutes, the renal irritation will go off. And not only renal irritation, you have a redness in your eyes. If you have irritation in your eyes, you will be sitting before the gadget for hours and hours together. You will be getting an irritation in your eyes. If you start perform the simple water balancing mudra, the irritation in your eyes will go off. Okay. Then now we are going to the subject. How you are going to utilize this Siddha Mudra for achieving your goals. Before that, I want to explain what are all the goals achieved, short-term goal, long-term goals, and also what are the daily activity things people have achieved through this Siddha Mudra. Very simple one is getting up early in the morning. Before going to bed in the night, you can perform this very simple Sankalpa Mudra, in which the tip of the thumb, all the 4 fingertips must touch the tip of the thumb. All the 4 fingertips must touch the tip of the thumb. Not like this. It must be somewhat like this. So all the tips must be visible. If you are able to touch your hand in this position in the night, you can take any type of sankalpa. Sankalpa means a determination. The correct meaning for Sankalpa in English is determination. If you want to get up early in the morning, maybe it may be 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock. If you take a determination and then go to sleep, you do this mudra for 5 minutes, you just take a determination that I must get up here morning 4 o'clock. Just do as a trial today itself. The next day morning, without any alarm, you will be getting up sharply in the time what you have fixed. So this mudra acts as a giving whatever you want. Akshaya Patra. You have been heard of this. Akshaya vessel of Akshaya, which gives us everything what we need. It is required to trim all the fingers before doing mudra. Trim all the fingernails. Sorry. You have to trim all your nails before performing mudra. This one and only Sankalpa Mudra, what all things have happened is, most of the people have achieved their short goals like getting a transfer from one place to another, getting a job, getting a thing what they want. It may be a car or it may be a very small thing like handbag. So using this Sankalpa Mudra, you can achieve whatever thing what you want. Before that, you must have been very clear how to fix a goal, because this Sankalpa Mudra will give whatever things you want. So first of all, you must be aware how to fix your goal before doing the Sankalpa Mudra. How to fix your goal. So you must be very clear in a positive goal. Say example, somebody's very major goal will be healthy. They want to be healthy. Say example, if they want to be healthy. Example, Dr. Shilpa Ajay. She wants to be healthy. And she starts to think of health. When she starts thinking of health, what happens is, sometimes she used to think an image of a multi-speciality hospital. So if you start doing Sankalpa Mudra in the scene of the multi-speciality hospital, this mudra will track you towards the hospital. So before setting a goal, you must be very careful that the image what you get behind the words you have set for the goal must be very positive image. So you may want to reduce your weight, but your mind may be thinking of a very bulky or very obese person. It may be you or anybody other. So working with the sweat, working out with the sweat. So before fixing a goal, please be clear on the positive image. If you are thinking an image that you are very obese and working with the sweat, that will be happening all your lifetime. Because this Sankalpa Mudra gives what you want. So you will be always obese and bulky and you will be working out with the sweat. So please be clear on fixing your goals. You may take a photograph of your own photograph which you have taken 10 years before or 20 years before, when you are very lean. You can just visualize the photograph. You can keep it in the paste it in your room or anywhere you see it. So you may be having the image in your mind. Your words, maybe you can set your words very easily, very excellently. You may set the goal in words, but your mind does not read in words. Your mind never read in word. If you say house, if I am saying house, anybody have a symbol that House? No. Everybody will having a different type of images in your mind. Somebody will be imagining a excellent big lawn, car parking house. Somebody will be thinking of a house in above the mountain, and somebody within the streets. So your mind reads in images. First of all, fix an image. To achieve a goal, the first step you have to do is fix a not only word, fix an image. The image must be very, very positive. Because if you tell in words, I must be healthy, I must be healthy, I must be healthy. Whenever you are telling healthy, healthy, you may be thinking of the reports you got from the hospital. Or you may be thinking of a hospital. When you think of health, you may be thinking of a hospital. So be aware that the image what you get after the word you fix for the goal must be very, very positive. Because this mudra will give you whatever you want. So by performing this mudra, anybody can determine their physical as well as mental health. So many achievements are made by so many people. So somebody was waiting for an opportunity to go to abroad. They wanted to export their material to abroad. Somebody wanted to start a new business. So you can achieve whatever you want by using this Sankalpa Mudra. First of all, you must fix the image of the goal. Better you can draw the image. The image must be very, very positive. Even the words are negative, the image must be positive. So after getting this positive image, please take a drawing or print out of the image and keep the image in your visible place. Then start doing Sankalpa Mudra for 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the night. You can even open your eyes. You can even sit with your eyes open. No need to close your eyes. While doing mudra, I don't ask anybody to close their eyes. Because when the eyes are open, you can see only some limited things before you. When your eyes are closed, you can travel and wander all around the universe. Your mind may go from here and there and there. So if your eyes are open, the distractions only will be 4. And if your eyes are closed, you will have 4,000 distractions. So while performing mudra, you can keep your eyes open. Now, I'm going to explain you an excellent mudra called Kubera Mudra. This mudra has one very positive effect. What this mudra does is, regarding this Sankalpa Mudra, you can get anything you want by this Sankalpa Mudra in any manner. But this very simple Kubera Mudra, everybody know who is Kubera? Anybody know who is Kubera?
Madam, Lord of Wealth.
Yes, God of Wealth. And anybody have seen the image of Kubera?
Yes, ma'am, very fat.
Yes, very fat. We have represented the image like that. So regarding Kubera, he is the god of wealth. Like that, this Kubera Mudra opens the alpha level of your brain. We are working over this Sankalpa Mudra and Kubera Mudra. The unopened channels of your brain will be opened with the help of the mudras. So it will open the alpha part of your brain. So if you want to achieve a goal, Your thought must not be very superficial. Everybody wants to be in a very, very good and higher position. Very small people reach that, not all. Why? It's not so fixed. It's not so strong. You can browse in the Google what is alpha level, what is beta level of the brain. So you may know the effect of the brain. You are going into the very subconscious level. If you give a command to your mind in the superficial level, it will not happen very easily. The same time, if you give the command to your subconscious mind, you can achieve the goal very easily. So how to perform this Kubera Mudra? So many people have not only have reached wealth, this mudra cuts down the lower thinking and elevates your higher thinking level, elevates you to the higher level of thinking. I used to take classes for the 10th and 12th students regarding their goals, regarding their aim. I'll be asking them. Most of the students will be having their goal up to the limit that they must get a cutoff mark like this. They must get marks. So I want to become a doctor or engineer like that. After performing the Kubera Mudra, we ask all of them to reconstruct their goals. So while reconstructing them, what happens is their lower level of goals will be shut out and they will be fixing a very higher goal. Not very smaller things like getting a chappal, getting a handbag, getting this color dress, getting a seat in the car, seat in the bus or train. So this is called Kubera Mudra. I will explain you how to do. Just fold these two fingers, little finger and ring finger. Hold all these three fingers together. You must not keep it as it is like this. You must fold and keep it in the palm. These two fingers must touch the palm. And then these three fingers together. This is a very excellent mudra that, first of all, in Sankalpa Mudra, we saw it will give everything. Be careful on setting your goal. Don't go into negative things. If you perform this Kubera Mudra, you will never go into negative things. Your thought process itself will be becoming very positive. And also for teenagers, I used to ask everybody, do you know the problem of the teenager? As a parent, we always ask the teenager students, have you got such marks? Has he studied well? Has he maintaining his health well? But we have never seen the real part and real suffering of a teenager or adolescent students. In their world, they will be suffering against so many abuse thoughts, sexual attractions. So no parent is caring about that. Always we are asking which tuition you have finished, how much marks you have gained, how much classes you are going, whether he is going for the music class or math class or chemistry or history, anything it may be. So real problem for them is not what you ask. We, as a parent, we never care of the students' mental health. As adolescent, teenagers, mental health, we never care of that. Very simple to maintain their mental health. They may not go into a very lower level of thinking. or they may not go into harming the society. So very simple is Kubera Mudra. If you ask them to do Kubera Mudra for 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening, their thought process will be high. When reducing this earth element is also for the sexual pleasure or heavy sexual desire. So when reducing this earth, heavy sexual thoughts will be cut down. And when reducing this water, the wavering mind will be cut down. And when combining these three, fire, air, and ether, these three fingers, what is going to happen is they will be getting a very higher level of thoughts. The lower level thoughts within them will be clearly washed out. So, as a parent or as a tutor or faculty or a teacher, you may ask your students to perform this excellent Kubera Mudra. Even it is called the Mudra for wealth. This Mudra is highly helpful not only for students, for all to keep their mental health. So the people who are having consistent negative thoughts can perform this Kubera Mudra. The negative thoughts will be washed out. Then again, who are the persons able to open your video? Please, you can open your video. We are going to trial a mudra. We are going to trial a mudra and see the effect of the mudra in your face after 5 minutes. Please, who can open your videos, you can open. Thank you. Thank you, Uma Maheshwari ma'am, Krishnavini ma'am, and Vinita ma'am is already opened. And anybody else? Okay. Maitri Sindhu Katiyar ma'am. Okay. Ashwini Ashid ma'am. Thank you. Now we are going to perform a mudra called Pankaja Mudra. This Pankaja Mudra gets rid of all the negative or very stressed impact in yourself. I'm not going to tell the effect of the Pankaja Mudra now, and we are going to enjoy the effect of the Pankaja Mudra in 10 to 15 minutes. Just in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, even 5 minutes is enough and more. I think the time now is yes. Okay. It's 12:45. You must keep these two fingers together. Little fingers together. Then these two thumbs together. Lateral side together. Yes, correct. Then you have to spread your fingers. You have to keep your hand just above the chest and below your face. The fingers must be spread fully. The fingers must be completely spread. No need to close your eyes. Just to see that the little fingers are touching each other. Yes, correct. Ashwini ma'am, correct. Prashant Shah, Chapati ma'am, correct. Vinita ma'am also correct. Krishnavini ma'am, yes. Already your Pankaja, your lotus has started blooming. So you can keep your fingers extended as much as possible. You can. Yes. And Krishna Boyna ma'am, you have to spread your fingers as much as you can. We are going to keep this mudra 5 minutes. I believe everybody is performing this mudra. if you perform for 5 minutes, you will enjoy the effect for this whole day. You are going to enjoy the effect of this mudra for the whole day. And Vinita ma'am, you have to spread your fingers. You have kept like this. Vinita ma'am, can you see me? You have kept like this, but you have to spread your fingers.
Yes, ma'am. When I
You have
spread
kept like
it,
this. You have to spread your fingers.
ma'am, this portion go.
Yeah. You can try. You can try. You can give a try. You can try. And is there any teenagers with you in the meeting? Is there any teenagers or 10 to 12 years people with you in this meeting? Anybody having nearby teenagers, your kids with you in the meeting?
I have a daughter.
Yeah, yes, just ask her to do this mudra if she's nearby. Just see her hand, how she spreads her hand. And Prashansha Tripathi ma'am, I think your kid is also coming. Okay. Ashwini ma'am, you can try to spread your fingers. Yes, you will have pain in the back side. Here, every finger will be pulling you. So, it's all the stress, unwanted stress we are keeping inside us. Most of the problems we are having are completely unwanted problems and unwanted stress. Prashanta ma'am, do you feel any pain or strain in your fingers? Yes. Okay. Just try to spread more and more. Okay. You keep on doing. Just we can do for 5 minutes. Maitri ma'am, perfect.
And it's paining too much.
Yes, just manage the pain for just 2 minutes. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, paining. Yes. Surely we have pain. We will have pain. So if you ask a teenager or a kid in your home to perform this mudra, do you know what will happen? They will be performing like this. Their fingers will be completely spread out. So I have trained so that my fingers are completely spread out. And Krishnavini ma'am is already having a very full bloom of fingers. So if you want a mindset of a teenager, if you want your stress to be completely burned out, you can perform this excellent Pankaja Mudra. So we will ask our participants in our trainer in our class who are taking training. There will be some 50 to 100%. We will take a photograph in the mid-afternoon. After food, we will ask them to do mudras. Before that, we will take a photograph. And after completing this mudra for 15 minutes, we will take a photograph. I'm having so many photographs like that. So after 15 minutes, before 15 minutes, everybody will be sitting straight, erect, very strict. They will be thinking you're learning art mudra. Most of the persons will be with a rigid face. They will be very erect. And after performing this mudra for 15 minutes, the whole hall of 50 plus persons, whole our mudra studio hall will be laughing, smiling. We have so many photographs. All their faces will be blooming and smiling. And most of the people will be starting to take their pencil and throwing behind any other person, pulling others' note. And the whole hall will be like a kindergarten. The whole hall will be like a college classroom before the professor enters. Everybody will be laughing. Everybody will be kidding. Even age-old persons will be laughing. So, when you perform this mudra, you will even, if you don't laugh much, you will be even feeling your facial muscles are getting loosened. The mudra for all ailments. This mudra increases our endorphin level. When our endorphin levels are getting increased, what will happen? Every pain in our body and mind will be head out. When every pain in our body and mind goes off, your mind becomes light. You become like a teenager. You don't care of anything. So even a 60 years old man will be throwing his pen or diary to the person 4 rows in front. So if you want to be in a teenager's mindset, if you have loads and loads of things inside you, first of all, when you perform this mudra for 2 or 3 days, some persons may get a feeling of crying out. And after 2 or 3 days, you will have a excellent feel of having a very happy mindset. And everybody know laughing is a therapy for all type of pain and all type of disorders. Even it may be cancer. If you start to laugh and enjoy, every pain, both physical and mental, will vanish out. So, when you laugh out your problems, you can laugh out your problems. It's very
Yamini ma'am, one minute. Yamini ma'am, please mute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am.
You can continue, ma'am.
If you start to laugh over your problems, both physical problems and your mental problems, every problem will become very small. So, by simply, first of all, your fingers will not extend up to this limit. It will just extend up to this level only. When you start spreading your fingers like this, fully, yes, completely spreading out. Somebody will have like this only. Because you are having so much of stress imbibed in you. So one thing you must be careful on touching these two fingers together. Don't leave any space. Shahin Padan, ma'am, yes, just touch the little fingers together and also thumb together. Then spread out your fingers. Yes. Already I have seen a smile in the face of Krishna Veni ma'am, so that she has got a full bloom of the Pangacha Mudra. And also Shahin ma'am, I am seeing a slight smile. And also one other ma'am, she has switched off her video. She just started smiling. So I am very sure that if you do this mudra for 15 minutes, you will have a very light mindset and a full bloom of smile in your face always. So this full bloom of smile and laughter, with this full bloom of smile and laughter, you can win over any tough problems you are having. It may be physical or mental. If you have any sort of pain, any physical pain, you sit and do this Pankaja Mudra for 5 minutes. Astonishingly, the pain will go off. Okay. Then, now we are going to see one important mudra. We can go for a doubt session in 5 minutes. Before that, I'm going to ask one thing. And I am having a bottle of herbal water in my hand. Is this very tough to hold this water bottle in my hand? Is this very tough to hold this water bottle in my hand?
No.
No. Okay. Will this be a very hard task for me, or will it cause any pain in holding this water bottle in my hand? Is it a hard task for me?
No.
No. Will it be a heavy task for me to hold this water bottle in my hand? Is it a very big task for me?
No.
No. Will it cause any pain for me?
No.
No. Yes, Namrata Chakraborty has kissed. Now I am holding it. So if I start holding it for hours together, for 15 minutes it will be okay, for half an hour. And if you want me to hold this bottle for up to the end of the session, starting from the starting of the session to end of the session for 2 hours, will it going to hurt me?
Yes.
And if you want me to hold this for half a day, will it hurt me? Will it be a challenge
Yes.
for me? Yes. Will it give me pain?
Yes.
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 So that's what we are doing with our problems. It may be a very simple problem. It may be a very simple thing. The person may be before you who is irritating you. The irritation we are getting from that person may be a very, very simple thing. But this simple bottle of water, which is cold for a long time, long duration, starts to hurt you. So it may be a very simple, negligible problem, what you are having. If you start holding it for hours and hours and years, what happens? It will surely hurt you. It will cause you pain. It will be a very big challenge to hold. And very simple thing. If you want not to be hurt by this water bottle, not to get pain from this water bottle, is keeping it down. So now I am going to teach you how to keep this water bottle down from your hand. That is how to break the duration. how to stop your irritating feeling. How to break your problems and stop it in a limit. It is a very simple and excellent mudra. If you learn this mudra, number one, you will start to love your job. You can balance between the relations what you are having. No problem for you will be very difficult because you are going to keep the very small problem down and you are not going to get hurt by the problem and holding it for long hours. Okay. Then how are you going to break? You must get a break. This Siddha Mudra is a very simple art and it is being in our research for more than 15 years. First of all, I will explain you how to break this duration of thought. When you start working in your seat, you sit in your seat, you start working, 9 o'clock you start your work, up to night 9 o'clock you are working. How to break this? You might not be getting up, walking and coming. So how to break the thoughts in your seat itself and make your work efficient? Start loving your job and start loving your relations around you. Very simple. The mudra is called Ganesha Mudra. How you are going to perform this mudra is, please everybody perform and enjoy the effect of this mudra. Because you are, I think you will be, even in my session you are sitting for more than 1 hour. It is about 1.5 hours you are sitting in the same place. So what you are going to do? You are going to keep your both your hands in the shoulder level. Yes. I am going to give a pull. I am just pulling. Not below drooping the shoulder like this and not above like this. Just keeping the shoulder level and give a very good pull. So, let the thumbs be free. Give a very good pull. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, relax. Just change the position of the hands. Now right hand in front, just opposite hand. Yes. Now you are going to give a pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, relax. Like this, you are going to do it for 3 times. It will take how many seconds? 20 into 3, 60 seconds. Just 1 minute. You can even do this by leaning behind in your chair. It will give a very good comfort for you. If you are sitting in a chair, you can lean behind in your chair. Just I am leaning behind in my chair. Just I have leaning behind my chair. Then I am performing. So in your working place, by leaning behind in your chair, you can do this. Don't do this mudra by sitting very erect. Just slightly, this mudra only Ganesha Mudra. Just slightly lean behind. Yes. What will this amazing mudra do is, most of the IT persons have given me a very good report after doing this mudra for just 1 or 2 weeks. They have said that I have started loving my job. I have started loving my environment. I have started loving my relations. And the cervical spondylosis, everybody knows what is cervical spondylosis. The neck bone.
When neck bone gets bent or they stuck, vertebrae stuck, and the blood flow stops or blood flow reduces, then
Yes,
muscles
what's the reason? Yes, what's the reason the doctor says for that?
Ma'am, wrong posture, wrong sleeping posture, no exercise, high calcium diet too,
Yes.
and
So
lack of minerals and nutritions in our life, in our daily food, and
yes,
sometimes wrong thinking too.
yes. Most of the time they say the sitting position, and most of the time when the bones are getting deteriorated, they say you have utilized this bone much. You have been sitting in the chair and leaning front and using your neck cervical vertebra much. But I have seen so many teenagers, particularly 10th standard and 12th standard students, who are getting a cervical spondylosis and complaining of heavy neck pain. So their age is not even their age is, they will not get any type of calcium deficiency or mineral deficiency or any type of overloading for their neck. What happens? The real reason behind this cervical spondylosis is, if you don't love your job, if you don't love your what you are doing, you will get cervical spondylosis. It's a great secret. This we have explored with so many thousands of patients and even myself. In my 12th standard, I got a severe cervical pain. And everybody was telling that you are keeping the book in this position and leaning in the front and studying. You have to keep the book in the position above the eye level, a slight degree above the eye level. So I used to study like this. But my pain got aggravated. What is the reason is, what is the real reason behind the cervical spondylosis? I found it in my 12th standard. I got a severe neck pain whenever I study my subjects, but I never get a neck pain whenever I see TV. In any position I will be seeing the TV. Neck may be bent in any position. So the real reason behind the cervical spondylosis, if you are doing a job which you are unpleasant to your mind, if you don't love your job, if you don't love your career, if you don't love your relations around you, you will be surely getting a cervical spondylosis or neck pain. Particularly if you are hours of your job you are doing. Very simple Ganesha Mudra will get rid of your neck pain excellently. So many persons will be coming, as a Siddha doctor. They will be trying all type of medication, all allopathy, homeopathy, and all type of pathis, acupressure, acupuncture, everything they will be had tried. And last they will come. Is there any remedy in Mudra? Is there any remedy in Siddha? They will be taking a 6 months treatment for the cervical spondylosis. So much of traction, so much of oil massage, so much of things they will be taking. But the mind is the reason behind all the disorders and diseases we are having. If you have a strain and stress about your job or about your relations or about your career, what will happen is the portion here, the muscle here will become stiff. The stiffness produced in this muscles in turn will pull or compress the tendons which are holding the vertebra. So these two vertebra become pushed. So the disc comes out. So they call it as disc prolapse. The disc as it is not getting prolapsed. These muscles are getting tight, these tendons are getting tight, the vertebrae are compressed, and then the disc is coming out. But in turn, we are thinking that we have excessively used our neck for anything. We have excessively traveled, we have excessively used our neck. You see, this is the very low used part. You will not be moving like that and like that all the day. You will be very relaxedly sitting. So the reason, the mind related reason behind every type of cervical spondylosis is the hate, or you are not very contempt or with your job. Then what happens when you do like this? Say example, my right hand is behind and my left hand is in front. I will say an example. This mudra also balances, this mudra can be also performed to balance between any two persons. And every man knows the problem. The problem between his mother and wife. How to balance between the two. Say example, evening you are coming to home and your mother and your wife is having a very tough fight. So your wife has prepared a very spicy dish today. So your mother is having a stomach burn, so that she has taken the spicy food she was not able to eat. So in the evening you are in a condition to balance between these two persons. They are fighting. So how to balance between these two? You will get irritated, you will hold it to one person and then you will shout to another person and you will go. That will happen commonly. But when you perform, when you are able to perform this Ganesha Mudra in your work time, breaking the work time 1 hour once. If you sit in the work for 9 o'clock, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the breaking. So you are going to keep the weight down from your mind every 1 hour once. Your work efficacy will also be increased. You will start loving your work, and also you will be able to balance between this. For example, you are not in unpleasant, you are not in a pleasant work. So when you perform this mudra, like this position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, your mind will say, what a job. I am traveling for 1 hour. I must search for another job. When you are changing your position, oh, more persons are traveling more than 1.5 hours. There are so many people who are not getting this job. They are suffering. I am getting a very good salary. Let us continue. Then your mindset changes. What about leaving this job? If I get a very good salary, if I leave it, then no, please, you can hold this job. You are blessed with this job. So your mindset changes from this and that. So when your mindset changes from this and that, the same thing happens in the relations also. You are keeping your hand like this. No, regarding relations, when they are fighting, you may not be able to do like this. So if you do like this, they will get irritated. We are shouting, you are doing some mudra. So you can keep your palm like this. And then like this. It's an alternative form of Ganesha Mudra. Please perform this one in balancing the relations. Otherwise, else you can perform this excellent Ganesha Mudra in Varsi. So how your thoughts will be jumping here and there means you will be doing like this. So, okay, my wife may be correct. The child was in longing of the spicy food. She's doing it for the child. Then, no, my mother may be correct. How she can manage without food? Then, I can ask my wife about this. Then, you have changed the position. Why can't my mother adjust for a simple day? So, you are having the thoughts both sides. So you can get a very balanced answer. You can balance between the relations. Not only wife and mother. It may be between our two kids. Younger one and elder one. So relating with the problems with the relations, balancing between the relations, this Ganesh Mudra helps. It also sheds out the thought in your mind. You will not be getting the thought that, oh, my wife cooked a spicy food for my mom. Your mom has been expired before 10 years. You will be keeping that thought for more than 40 years. After even your mother was no more there. After 10 years, you will be shouting. When you are taking a spicy food, you have done the same mistake to my mother also. So he will be keeping that thought for more than 20 years or 30 years in his mind. How to shed out of this thought is very simple Ganesha Mudra. Because when you start analyzing both sides, you will not be stuck out, you will not be stuck to any one of the problem. So, very simple way to get rid of the problem is keep the water bottle down immediately. That's all. Don't make this water bottle as a pain, as a task for you. So keep your problems down. Don't make the small problem as a big task for you. So as the work, in the working place, you are doing the same type of work always. So if you want to break the work, you will have also a very efficient output from your work if you break the work 1 hour once. So regarding your mindset, I will consolidate. I have taught you 5 mudras. One single mudra, this Kubera Mudra, will help you to reach your goal. If you start performing this Kubera Mudra 20 minutes in the morning and the night, twice daily, you can reach your long-term goal. For the short-term goal, you can perform this Sankalpa Mudra. For a very short-term goal, you can perform this Sankalpa Mudra. Relating to your physical health, you can perform this Sankalpa Mudra. Relating small things, you can perform Sankalpa Mudra. And another important mudra, what we saw is the starting problem persons. The persons who have starting problem, not only exam fear, starting a work, not only starting a work, starting a business. The persons who are having a habit of postponing the things. Very simple Prithvi Mudra. And then we have seen a water balance mudra, which will help you to keep hydrated without irritation. You will be very cool, relaxed. Then one excellent mudra called Pankaja Mudra, which will be riding off all your problems. The one-stop solution for all your problems. Just laugh out all your problems, both physical and mental. Perform this mudra, become the teenager's mindset. Just become a teenager by performing this Pankaja Mudra. With a teenager's mindset, you can throw off all your problems. Don't think much. Then to break your problems into parts and throw it away. Not to hold it long or having alternative thoughts. Very simple Ganesha Mudra, which will give excellent effects for you. If you start performing Ganesha Mudra from today, you will never get a cervical problem in your lifetime. And also you will never get a problem with your spouse, with your husband, or with your any relations, close relations. So you will be becoming analytic. You will be also seeing a positive and negative, both the positive and negative sides of a problem. So start performing Ganesha Mudra from today. Even if you forget other mudras, please don't forget, as you are in this profession. So don't forget to perform this Ganesha Mudra 1 hour once breaking the day. And also, if you want to stressed out, completely free of stress, you may be hearing for the past, I think, 5 days, ma'am. You are having so many programs to burst out the stress, to make your mind to burst out the stress. But will your mind ask, will your mind hear what you say? No, it's very tough. Even if you teach your mind for years and years together, it will never follow you. The simple way is hold your hands in a position and make your mind triggered by your hand. So first of all, we saw how this hand and mind is directly related. Our mind and hand is directly related for years and years together from the primitive age. So our genetic code has a very strong implant of expressing our mind through our hand. So this in reverse, the expression in our hand directly works with our mind. So you can't keep control your mind as it is by keeping eyes closed or changing the breathing pattern. It will work very in a mild manner. But if you keep your hands in this position of the hand itself will change your breathing pattern and work in your mind and keep you stress free. Okay, I think the time is up and we can go for any doubts. And Kavita Kamaldas ma'am has raised her hand for a long duration. I think, sorry ma'am.
Yeah. Ma'am, any food for back pain?
Yes, if you start performing this Merudanda Mudra, which is a mudra for success and maintaining the posture. Yes, the important mudra, this also we saw no today. This Merudanda Mudra, it reduces back pain, and also there's a mudra called typically for back pain. You can go to the Siddha Mudra website. You can type Siddha Mudra website, Salai Jayakalpana. So you can go to our website and see there are more videos and testimonies in our website. You can go and search and get this back pain mudra. This mudra is called a back pain mudra. In right hand, alternative finger. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you so much, Dr. Kalpana ma'am. Really,
Thank
we
you, ma'am.
enjoyed the session. And we learned that how the mudras related with our mind and our organs and other things you have explained in a very good way, and you have given a hands-on practice to all the participants. All the participants were participated in the practice with joy, and they feel the effect of those mudras what you have explained and trained. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And also, you have explained how these mudras will help in our teaching community in achieving their goals. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. 1 minute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all. And